The purpose of our camp was to provide a space for our rangatahi to build confidence, but also expose them to positive relationships with their peers and external providers of employment and education.
To help provide workshops that expose our rangatahi to 3D printing, we got together with VAKA.
Most people have this misconception of technology and business where they think that you've got to be naturally talented at this stuff to be good at it. So I've seen a lot of kids, especially Māori Pasifika kids, say, I could never use a 3D printer because I'm not like technical. I could never be a business person because I'm not good at maths. But that's actually the entire point of why we designed e-STEAM1⁰1 to begin with. The opportunities to sell 3D prints and make money from that is actually a lot easier and more exciting than most people realise.
My first thoughts when I walked in and saw like the 3D printing, I just thought I could never do that. It just looked too technical for me. I didn't understand how to use a computer other than turning it on and turning it off.
When I walked in, I had no idea what was going on. I didn't know how to use anything. It looked pretty technical, like I didn't know what to do, but it just basically showed me how easy it was.
Where our communities are, they're not exactly given these opportunities to have hands-on stuff like this. They're given a ball, they're given things that, if it wrecks, it's okay. And they're not trusted with such delicate technology.
If this was in my school and I saw it, I reckon I'll give it a try, but I'll be pulled back from how technical it was. But I didn't know it was so simple and so easy until I tried it. I was just mind blown, and how much money you can make from it was also just breathtaking, honestly.
We look after the NEET contract in Otara and Clendon. NEET stands for is not engaged in employment, education or training. Progressively, I started seeing them more confident working on their laptops and designing things, and a lot of the things that they did design were very creative, which was really cool to see. Because I believe our rangatahi, our Polynesian and our Māori students are very creative. They just need like the right outlet. So I think 3D printing was perfect for them to express that.
From ground up, they just basically showed me how easy it was. And I was thinking about it. I'll probably start my own business maybe one day on this, because it is pretty easy to like give back to the community too. Just like how they are. Man, I appreciate it.
3D printing was like a whole nother level. It was cool. You can like design things that you can't like hand make. I'd actually see myself doing 3D printing if I was in our school.
So massive thanks to our Manukau local board. With them, help fund this whole workshop experience for our rangatahi. If it wasn't for them, then our rangatahi wouldn't have the opportunity that they had at the camp, and because of that they were inspired to continue on with this mahi, and hopefully we can start exploring some future ways that we can continue working alongside VAKA.
So you can't even put a cap on the possibilities that could be made with such technology.
With the way the camp went and the prospects of our students continuing to learn 3D printing, honestly, the future looks exciting.
The future looks exciting.
The future is really exciting.